Welcome to JH. In this guide, I will demonstrate how to navigate Google Meet. To start, click the gear icon on the main page to access your settings. Here, you can configure your audio by selecting the specific microphone and speakers you intend to use. Next, navigate to the video section to choose your preferred camera, then close the menu. To initiate a call, click New Meeting, where you can generate a link for later, start an instant session, or schedule one in Google Calendar. For this demonstration, we will start an instant meeting. Once the meeting begins, you can invite others or copy the join link by clicking the icon and sharing it directly. Participants can join simply by clicking that link. You can easily toggle your microphone and camera on or off using the icons at the bottom. Additionally, you have options to share your screen, send reactions, turn on captions, or raise your hand. The More Options menu allows you to apply backgrounds and effects, use picture-in-picture mode, or enter full screen. To exit the session, simply click the Leave Call button. If you need to add participants during the meeting, click the People icon and select Add People to enter their email addresses. If you need to dismiss someone, click More Actions next to their name to find the removal option. That is how you use Google Meet. If this was helpful, please like and subscribe for more tutorials.